Because success for Theresa May yesterday, if the slimmest of margins, Andrew.
Well, let me tell you, Ben, at one point yesterday, they thought it was so touch and go, it could be 1, 2 or even 3.
Really?
She got by with 16 because the rebels, led by Dominic Grieve, the former Attorney General, who's been on your programme many times, they folded.
Like a jelly baby's got more backbone than these Tory rebels, who always just melt away.
Hang on,
But why
there were a
launch
number of
that
Tory rebels.
Soubry rebelled.
Yes.
Ken Clarke stuck to his guns.
There were 6.
6, exactly.
But Grieve gave in again. That's twice he's marched to the top of the hill, only to march himself all the way down again. And he looks silly because of it. He's lost his authority. Now, there are about 10 more bills to come on this. On Brexit, because it's so complex and difficult. So there may be further rebellions.
And then, of course, the other thing that we discover, and you're talking about how close it was, there's a sort of a gentleman's agreement within Parliament that if somebody is ill, they can be on the property, they don't have to come and vote. But it was so tight, they were forcing a number of MPs...
Yeah, Naz Shah was in a wheelchair and she had a bowl in case she was sick on her lap. This is a Labour MP. But this takes us back to the 1970s when the Labour government had no majority and people were literally wheeled on stretchers sometimes, terminally ill MPs wheeled on stretchers to vote. So ironic,
of course, because before the general election, the assumption was there were going to be a wash with Tory MPs.
Yeah, but what normally happens, Susanna, is you turn up and if you're on the premises, you might be in an ambulance just on the premises, you're counted as voting.
Yes.
What the Tories did yesterday is they said you had to be pushed through the lobbies. So there she is in a wheelchair with her paper, sick book. Why did they do that? No. Why? Because they thought she wouldn't be well enough to be pushed through.
So they're hoping she would say, I can't go there, I'm not going to vote.
And there was
a really nasty sign of that Tory machine when they do that.
Well, they want to get the policy through. You've got to do what you've got to do.
Ruthless.
The Lib Dem, it is.
Ruthless,
the Lib Dem MP, Jo
get.
Swinson, is 40 weeks pregnant and she voted
too. Do you think it's all right, Andrew? I mean, you're a Tory man yourself. Do you think it's OK that they did that, ruthless as it is?
If the bill had been lost by 1 vote, of course it was the right thing to do.
No, it's the wrong thing.
And they used to do it all the time, routinely.
No, they didn't. No,
yes,
they
did. Yes, they did.
No, they didn't. They had to be on the premises.
They did.
It's totally different.
They wheeled them through, right through. They were taking no chances. Very important bill, and it hasn't killed her. I know it's tough and unpleasant,
really nice.
but
that's a relief.
But
it's
the right thing.
You're sounding a little heartless yourself right now.
You've got to get your legislation through.
Didn't kill her mother there. Oh, that's all right.